So today I got my Wacom tablet. Yay. I'm going to be opening it up. Here, watch out, Kai.
Whoa, that's too close.
Yeah, that's too close. Look at this kid. He's like that more than I am, I guess. Wow.
This one mine?
Yeah.
This one mine?
No, this isn't yours. This is Big Dog T's. Wow. Yeah, as soon as I open the box, I've got the Intuos Pro Special Edition. How cool. I'll take it out one-handed. Shake, 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 shake. Alright. We've got the box, obviously with the specs. Pressure sensitive grip pen, multi-touch surface, customizable express keys, express view displays, multifunctional touchscreen, ergonomic design, and wireless accessory kit included. Awesome. I wonder if it really comes in there though. There's the back, and then here's the front. Wow. Turn this thing sideways. Wow. Alright, alright, here we go. Trying to open this sucker up. And of course, got the little cool handle case thing. And trying to see if it's at the side. Or just the top. Huh. Oh, I can open it at the bottom. Yep, open it at the bottom. Cool. Let's see. Feels like if I do that, it's probably not gonna slide open. Alright. So here we go. Slice this sucker open. Dang it. And shoot. Okay. I guess it is open at the bottom. Awesome. Oh, that's just the cover for it cover. Huh. Funny. So I can just push it from the bottom. Okay. And lift up. Alright. Now I've got the box set up. Sweetness. And it says Intuos Pro on the front. So lift this sucker up. Cool. We have the welcome book. Which, for some reason, I don't think it says welcome really on it. Oh, it's a postcard. Something. I'm gonna take this cover off, or watch out, Kai. Wow, look at that. That is nice. And of course, the pressure sensitive pen. Hopefully, I never lose this. Cool. Of course, with the Wacom holder that has the I think it's a spin top. Sorry,
but they do dark.
Nope.
That's a knife.
That is a knife. And it comes with extra pen tips and of course the ring to pull out the tips. Just the tip.
This is it?
No, you don't say that. How would I say that?
This is it?
Oh no, now I got them hooked on it. And that snaps. Wacom on it. Cool. And my nifty, cool tablet. It's a medium. But it looks like a large. Hey, quit. Don't touch. I'll let I touch. Let I touch.
Wow.
Alright, well there's the tablet. Let me move. Here, move, Kai. Move. Move, baby. And put this down lightly. Cool over there. And it comes with a installation CD
What are you doing?
and the cable. Wow, cool. And
What
that
are you
is
doing?
the Wacom Special Edition. All for this guy. Awesome. Now I can probably do way better than my old piece of crap tablet, but there you go. That's what I got for $410. Yay. Knife's not included. Alright.